I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you know if your faceless workflow needs a clear handoff from idea validation to research before scripting starts? The short answer is, if research keeps changing the angle, you need the handoff. Here's a simple rule. Idea validation answers, should we make this? Research answers, what do we need to say? If your team is mixing those together, scripting gets messy fast. There are 3 signs you should separate them. First, scripts keep getting rewritten because the premise changed, not because the writing was bad. Second, your researcher is bringing back interesting information, but it's for the wrong audience, wrong angle, or wrong promise. Third, titles and thumbnails keep shifting after research starts. That usually means the idea was never locked, so use a clean handoff. Before research starts, approve 5 things: the topic, the viewer promise, the angle, the target audience, and 2 to 3 reference videos or proof points. Then research only has one job: support that approved angle with facts, examples, source links, and objections the script needs to answer. If you want to operationalize it, this is the kind of checkpoint I'd set up inside Satura as a required stage before research can move forward. One more decision rule. If one person can validate and research a small idea in one sitting, keep it combined. If multiple people touch the workflow, split it. That handoff will save you a lot of bad scripts.